So we are going full vegan for the whole day in Bali's vegan heaven. Ubud. Let's go with herbal iced tea. I feel that it's healthy, but it doesn't taste good at all. I can't believe that I'm saying this. I want to be honest, I can't believe that I'm saying this, but we are going fully vegan for today. Oh my god. Because, let me explain it to you, yeah? Ubud is a city in the middle of Bali, basically in the heart of Bali. For a lot of people, this is like the spiritual haven. But Ubud is also famous for, you know, gurus, yoga, and vegan food. It is basically the spiritual vegan heaven for Westerners people here. Since I'm not a guru, not yet, I'm also not capable to do a lot of yoga, we will do what I can do best, and that's eating. Starting with some breakfast, let's go. Let's go. Let's get some breakfast. Stop for breakfast. Bali unique, oh, cannot see anything, eh? Zoom there. Raw food, coffee, tonic bar. Oh god, this sounds so dangerous.
It's straight out.
My stomach already hurt. But let's give it a try, right? Are you full, Ros? Let's look here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is all very, very vegan.
Need to open.
Aduh. I feel weird. Aduh. Whoa. Very strange. Very strange atmosphere. Raw food coffee. Wow. Really? Here, minum air. Okay, I think for breakfast we go with raw bread and spreads plate, curry butter, fig chutney, orange ginger marmalade. Oh god, that sounds weird. Let's go with herbal iced tea. There's no normal iced tea, only herbal iced tea. A little bit like
Raw bread.
raw bread, yeah, with olive oil.
What is that curry?
What is this? Curry butter, I think, something like that, no?
Yeah. Mmm.
Let's try the next one first.
What is next?
I think this is tamarind ginger, something like that.
Oh goodness.
That's sweet.
Mmm. Mmm.
And this is, I think, just olive oil. I feel that it's healthy, but it doesn't taste good at all. Try.
Just a little bit.
Okay, it's water with lime. Yeah, taste, that's it. We're leaving quick, guys. Let's go. To record, first of all, there was vegan and raw food, right? But if that's the kind of food you guys like, that is not, by far not my world. That was really not tasty, honestly. Yeah. But we give it still a chance. Now we need something to, how to say, celebrate ourselves. So we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Yeah.
Honestly, guys, this is the best ice cream in the world. I'm not over exaggerating. Never ate such a good ice cream. So you can't choose the flavor. There's only coconut flavor, but I tell you, it is amazing. Tuki's the coconut shop. Let's go. 2 times 1 scoop. Yeah, 2 cups. Oh, looks so different here now. Oh, renovation. Very good. So, coconut ice, yeah? With coconut pieces, coconut crispy pieces, and some coconut, I don't know, all coconut. And I'm not a fan of ice cream at all, to be honest, but this one, the best. It's so sweet. But then you have like the crispy bites inside. Amazing. Perfect. Really? I look like yoga guy. So guys, welcome to Herbal Library. Vegan, vegetarian, holding it weird. You film? Guys, now we are here at the vegan heaven. What I've ordered, falafel burger. I've never eaten a burger without a meat in my life before, so this will be the first time. A falafel burger with vegan cheese and an iced tea. I think that's vegan enough.
How vegan cheese was?
I think it's not made out of cow milk, it's made out of soya milk?
Yeah.
Can they make cheese out of soya milk? I don't have a clue, but we will see if it's good. But the vibe here in Ubud is really relaxing, I have to say. Very lush, green, calm. That's a plus. Falafel burger. Instead of meat, it's falafel, avocado, I don't know what, and salad. And potatoes, and I think olive oil. Oh no. No, it's like pesto type. Pesto with olive oil. Tastes like green pesto. Try it. Some salt would be nice. Come on, Mom. Here. Let's hop into the burger, okay? I've never eaten a burger without meat in my life. Okay.
So, how's the taste?
It's weird. Because it tastes like a burger, and then you wait for the meat, right? You wait for the beef part or pork part. And then the part just tastes like nuts. It's like the main thing on the burger is missing.
So,
Makes me sad. I mean, you can eat it. It's not bad, but it's not a burger experience. You know what I mean? And I think this is the vegan cheese. Very interesting. I think the vegan cheese is made out of hummus. It's not really cheese. Why do you call it cheese? In general, vegan people, why do you call things that are not vegan as vegan? Like, just use a different name for that. Don't call it a vegan cheese, it's not cheese. Just call it something else. Try it. You like? Really?
not bad.
Really? But it's like the meat is missing.
Just missing pesto sauce. Chili sauce.
Yeah, maybe chili sauce. You like? My stomach is very confused today.
It's good.
You know?
You want any more?
You want more? I want.
One?
So guys, that was it. Vegan food day in Ubud. Will I switch over to vegan? Difficult. Will I have some vegan days? Definitely. Hope you guys liked it. We are heading to Cambodia now. And yeah, leave, like, subscribe. Oh, it starts to rain. Look. Shit. We need to go. We need to go.